Okay? And then you're going to show me that you can sit down in that halt. Okay? Sophia, I think I'm good with you.
Okay.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Thank you.
Really nice. Okay, so you're just going to ride 2 point over your jumps here, not getting out of your tack. That's a girl. Eyes up, heels down, in 2 point, keeping your heel down. Now straight, 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 and sit. Turn left, and do the tan and blue again. And then the halt again. Same approach, canter. Go around that roll top. Get your heels down, Carson. Good, chest up, heels down. Straight, outside rein. Good, better sitting down. Good girl, but you still need to make sure you're steering after the jump. Okay? That was better, All right, Ashley.